24 वरां अखंड चलपी वास्को सप्ताचो मंगळारा दनपारां समारोप जालो. सोमारा दनपारां सुरू जाल्ल्या सप्ताक वास्कोचे वेगवेगळे पंगड दिंडी घेवन वांटेकार जाल्ले. मंगळारा दनपारां गोपाळ कालो जालो. ते उपरांत श्रीफळाचें दर्यांत विसर्जन जालें. स्पोर्टिंग क्लब दी गोवा ह्या आय लीग सिजनात पयल्या पांचांत सुवात मेळयतलो असो विश्वास क्लबाचो अध्यक्ष पीटर वाजान उक्तायला. स्पोर्टिंगान फाटल्या सिजनांतले जवळ जवळ सगळे खेळगडे सांबाळ्यात. ते शिवाय कांय ज्युनियराक प्रोमोट केल्यात. कॅमेरुनांतलो स्ट्रायकर बॉंग बर्ट्रँड जेम्स मोगाचे सुवातेर खेळटलो. बर्ट्रँडाचो रेकॉर्डूय बरो आसा. फाटले फावट स्पोर्टिंग 8वे सुवातेर आशिल्ले.
आय लीग सर्तीत बरी कामगिरी करूनय फाटल्या वर्सा स्पोर्टिंग क्लब द गोवाक मदल्या सुवातीचेर समाधान मानचे पडले. चालू वर्साय क्लबाचो अध्यक्ष पीटर वाजाची व्हडलीशी अपेक्षा ना.
This time we have got the same squad. We have the same players who played for us last year. Minus there's only one person, one player, that was Anthony D'Souza. In foreign category we've lost James Moga, but we have signed in one good promising striker. And he's an established striker playing in Qatar. As far as standing goes, it depends on how they play. Okay, we have got, last year also, but I feel, we should be in the first five. Last year also we gave chance to almost 7 goons, youngsters to play in I League. It was, I think, a record of sort. And all of these boys, they matured this year and they played extremely well. So this year we are launching another 4 of them.
कॅमेरुनियाचो बॉग बेट्रॉन्ड हालींच क्लबांत आयला.
I'm getting used to it. It's been a week now. I've been here, and I feel like home because here it's almost like Africa, natural and everything.
आखाती देशांनी खेळिल्ल्या मॅचींनी बॉगान बरें काम केलां. युरोपांत मात ताका व्हडलें यश मेळूंक ना.
I did one season with Al Shammah Sports Club in Qatar. Then from there I was like trying to get the spur of Europe. I was like visioning Europe in my mind. I didn't want to stay in the Gulf countries, so I had chances to try out in some European countries. It didn't work out. Then I finally had to land in Azerbaijan. Yeah, it was not so favorable for me in Azerbaijan. I was not used to, I was used to the Arab system, and then it took me so long to adapt, and then I had so many difficulties with the game and so on. I need to be honest,
Do you feel you could end up in the Azerbaijan situation where you won't be able to adjust to the Indian style of football?
Yeah, that's actually true, but I just give up myself to challenges. It's actually a challenge I'm taking up. At first I didn't know about the Indian league. I was like, I've never heard of India and so on. But after, when I came to watch some of the videos on the internet, and then I saw it was really amazing. And then it's like, I hope I do adjust. I hope I do adapt to the game.
25 वर्सांचो कॅमेरुनी खेळगडो बरोच अणभवी आसा. बरो खेळ करपाची आस्त तो बाळगिता.
I'm not putting a lot of pressure on myself right now. I'm just struggling to be a team man. I know I'm a striker. I need to score goals, but I'm not based on like having the highest goal scorer. I'm here to play for Sporting. I'm here to work with the team. I actually thought about that, but it's believe me, it's the Arab leagues I've played before. I've hardly seen somebody who scored 26 goals in the league. In all the leagues I've played, nobody has ever scored 26 goals. And I've always been like, in Oman I was the top scorer with 14 goals only. So it's like when I see somebody scoring 26 goals, wow, it's impressive. I don't know what it looks like to score 26 goals, but I'll just try to give in as many goals as I can. I don't want to put a target like 20, 26 now. As many as it comes, I'll just try to give in my best.
And how has your training session been with Sporting? Have you found it adjustable playing on the beach?
Yeah, it's a little hard for me right now. I'm really trying to come into it. It disturbs me, for the first week. I'm just coming from vacation and I had a lot of fun with my family and so on. So I'm just like trying to come in. I've not yet given in 100% yet.
प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर आमचो खेळा खबराकार निखिल पेरेरा आनी चलचित्र खबराकार तुळशीदास च्यारी.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमचे www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकावंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकावंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान ह्या खबरांचेर हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.